because our writers are hard at work scripting the semifinals this weekend, here's a half-ass segue into Mic Check.
League of Legends. I love League of Legends.
Woo! Say something motivating. Don't sleep. No!
Just be like Yamato Cannon. Can you do like Yamato Cannon? Just breathe.
I'm not gonna do that.
Coach, give us like motivation speech, please.
No.
No, please.
No?
Shall we look to fight them?
Yeah, if you want someone, we can maybe fight.
I ulted too, go. Kindred.
Kill him.
Okay.
Can we Ori? Ori.
Careful, don't run into them.
Shockwave.
We can re-engage. I've cleansed.
Kite back if you can.
Try to run away.
Ezreal, can you? It's okay. Okay, nice. Nice, we can end. Good job.
Wait, we would win this series for sure if I played Maokai.
Maokai.
You guys know that?
Look at Lucian.
Yeah, you win.
Nautilus.
Go Barn. I'm dead. Okay, nice. Keep it.
Bingo Nash. Zed is no ulti.
Keep it dead.
You guys remember, your communication was insanely good, okay? I was really proud behind the desk. You had a really good plan, casting was really good, communication on mid, on top, everything was under control.
Kill list. List flash. List no ulti. She has nothing. She has nothing.
Finish that.
Go.
Nice.
Don't get too high feet. Don't yell. Your emotions are gonna run high. Make sure you guys keep each other in check, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Good luck.
Step close though. Thinking.
Nice.
Give up.
Respect. I'm okay.
Nice.
I'm dying. It's okay. Good.
Oh, penta. Give him the penta.
Penta.
I think.
Alright, just watch out,
can't get it.
Oh my birthday!
Walking forward.
I've ult in 4. We need to go in R.
We kill them all. Penta.
I can't.
Alright guys, if I get triple kill or quadra kill, you have to give me penta.
Nah,
That's the deal of the day, okay?
You know I tried to give you penta.
Even if you guys die, you have to.
No, we have to end the game. You know I tried to give you penta.
You know,
last time,
I'm
but
going
you
to
didn't
be
want
hearing
it.
the comms.
What happened, guys? By the way. Rotterdam, boys! Rotterdam! We're going to my country, boys! Let's go! Party at my house!
Nice Kamsu. Yeah.
Nice.